Local news for Wednesday the 15th of May. UCOL researchers have had their first ever submission to the government's performance-based research fund deemed successful. 13 UCOL staff submitted a research proposal and received a positive response for the Institute's first application. A Chief Clinical Information Officer has been appointed to provide clinical input and oversight of health IT projects at Capital and Coast, Hutt Valley and Wairarapa DHBs. Steve Earnshaw took up the full-time position at 3 DHB ICT in April. A free filmmaking workshop will take place tomorrow at Masterton's YMCA. The course is designed for 11 to 18-year-olds and those who work with youth and runs from 9 until 4:30. And in sport, another First 15 mini rugby tournament takes place tonight with the local colleges at Trust House Memorial Park. Kick-off is at 4:30. And in hockey, the Dalefield men and women are both away this weekend, set to play Harbour City and Karori.